Please don't ask a caregiver what they need. Just assume that they need a nap, a break, and a reminder that they matter too. Hey friend, I'm Mandy, and I'm a certified health and life coach helping Gen X women get the answers that they need from their doctors. Now, if you want to support someone who's caregiving, whether for a partner, a sibling, a parent, or a child, I'm going to give you lots of ways that you can help out, okay? My mom and I both helped care for my brother for 15 months, and it taught me that rest is rare. The amount of sleep that we did not get was immense, okay? Relief is golden, and help needs to be practical, okay? So, number one, prescription pickups. Maybe you could do that for somebody. A lot of times I forgot or I missed refilling my own medications because I was so focused on my brother's. If you can, offer to pick up somebody's meds for the patient, for the caregiver, if you can. That little errand can be a huge, huge deal. I mean, my boyfriend he picked up mine for me a lot. That was very, very helpful. And that way I didn't have to worry about it, an extra trip away from my brother. 2, just an hour away. One time my brother's friends came over and I took 30 minutes. They said, hey, do you want to go someplace? Do you want to get out of here for a little bit? I was like, are you serious? Like, for reals? And they're like, yeah, we'll stay here. No problem. We'll hang out with Matt. Just go. I said, great. So I drove to Dollar Tree, of all places, because there was really not a whole lot of places around. But I drove to Dollar Tree and I wandered around for 30 minutes at Dollar Tree, just breathing. It was nothing fancy, but it was some freedom. It was getting away. It was getting out, getting away from the situation that I was in. So just offering to come and sit for an hour while the caregiver gets out of the house, that is priceless. Okay. Number 3, appointment angels. My mom booked me a hair appointment and she paid for it ahead of time. I hadn't been to a hair salon in over a year. That appointment was magical for me, okay? So if you want to treat a caregiver to a massage, a pedicure, or a checkup that they've been putting off, don't just hand them a gift card. Actually make the appointment for them with their input on the timing. And if needed, arrange somebody to be with their loved one that they're caregiving for, and let them get out and get a break so they can take care of themselves too. So if you are the caregiver yourself now, feeling too fried to like meal prep or think about one more thing, then my batch cooking made simple guide and webinar might be your next best friend. So it's super easy to follow, designed for people who hate cooking, and it helps you get food prepped for the week in a way that feels manageable and not frustrating. Okay, so that link is in the description below if you want to grab a hold of that. When you care for a caregiver, you care for their whole world. You show up with relief, not just sympathy. Trust me, the little things matter.